I've always said the most hands-on craftsmanship in our company lies within the geometric department. Since 1988, Viwinco has manufactured every window and door right here in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. While we've embraced new technologies and innovations across product lines, our geometric windows continue to use the same time-tested process that guarantees strength and performance. Hi, I'm David Barnes, Chairman of the Board of Viwinco Windows and Doors. Today I'd like to share with you the geometric window process. We start by cutting lengths of vinyl. Some of these will be straight pieces, others will be bent into geometric shapes. For the curved pieces, the operator places the vinyl and glazing bead into the oven to soften it. Custom bending allows us to make arches, circles, and other unique shapes. Once finished in the oven, the softened profile is placed into a predetermined shape based on the geometric window that's being made. Reinforcements are placed into the glazing bead area when being bent. The machine will then clamp and hold the profile in place until it's cooled. We will use the bent profile as the template for the snap-in glazing bead. Once it's fully cooled, we will take the geometric frame and place it into a twin head saw and cut off the proper angles. Once the vinyl's cut and bent, the separate pieces are fusion welded together. We weld one corner at a time to create an airtight, watertight frame that stands up to the elements. Welds are then cleaned by the operator using a variety of tools like trimmers, chisels, and even files. At this stage, the operator adds accessories such as pocket filler, extension jambs, or our Florida flange. Here the nail flange is being removed so that our Florida flange can be installed to make it easier to install into a masonry opening. Here the operator is adding the Florida flange. Each accessory is customizable to the project, making installations easier, ensuring compliance with regional codes, and providing a clean and professional finish. Then he will apply a piece of wood to the bottom of the frame to protect the Florida flange during shipping. After adding a bead of silicone, he drops the high-performance insulated glass unit into the frame and then adds setting blocks. Then the operator will apply the snap-in glazing bead. After thoroughly cleaning the glass, the necessary labels for building codes and shipping are added. Once the windows are inspected and approved by the quality department, the unit is hand-wrapped and ready for shipping. If the window is going to be used in a combination unit, it'll be shipped to our mulling department for further assembly. Every geometric window begins its journey here and arrives at its destination built strong and ready to impress the weather.